Remember when I said you need to be brave?
Yes.
This is that moment. So you're going to give lots of gas for me. Give gas, give gas, give gas. Bit more, bit more. Okay, off the gas. Clutch all the way down. Don't look. Clutch all the way down. Clutch down. No, that's gas. Clutch down. The left one. That was crazy. Who's making that noise? All right. We're going to get past the learner and then we're going to try again. All right. Okay. Thanks. Right, Erin, focus. Looking ahead. You're going to give gas. That's accelerate. Accelerate, accelerate. With the go pedal. What's the go pedal? That's the one.
Right
the one you're pressing.
Yes.
Good. So we're going to get going a bit more, bit more, bit more, and then come off the go pedal and go down on the clutch all the way. And then change gear when you're down on that clutch. Now come off the clutch gently and back on the go pedal. Oh my goodness.